anyway, this is my family. Hakalan sa San Fernando, si Mama at saka si Papa, Abelardo Milita Hakalan, sort of stayed in San Fernando. Doon naman ang bagsak nila. Kayo sa Lupao. Sa amin, San Fernando naman. So, I'm gonna look back here. Kung mabasa ko. So, So, sa bahay namin, 7 girls, we're all girls, and both my parents passed away. Like the last time was 1995, right? Si Papa. So, there's 7 girls, and the one that passed away was also a girl. So, tapos, in the desire na makip niya ang pangalan niyang Hakalan, my father really worked hard to have another family. So, he was blessed with 2 boys and a girl with Beth Hakalan. Pangalan niya si Ronald. Siya ang middle, si Abelardo. Look at his face. Yeah, si Abelardo Jr. at saka si Shane. Nag-asawa sila last year. And then have a beautiful daughter, si Happy. Right? Am I correct? Yes. Okay. So, si Ronald is getting married February 8. Everybody's welcome. So, ito next week, Monday, mag-asawa siya. Then they can go back to Dubai as husband and wives. You know how that goes. When you're not married, you cannot go to husband, married, wife, and you gotta be married to be together. So anyway, yan ang nila, family nila. Si Isa, there's a girl in their family as well. She is right now in Alberta. She's working as a medical technologist, babae. So from that family, second family, 2 boys and 1 girl. Tapos naman sa amin, magkakapatid, there are 7 squabbling children. 7 kami, puro babae. So, medyo may pagkagulo kasi marami nga kami. So, anyway, ang pangalan namin, si Manang Tessie at saka si Boy. Boy passed away. May anak silang dalawa, si Robert and Ray. Robert just got married a while back. May apo silang isa. Kaisa-isa lang naman. You just notice that lahat kami babae. Ang grandchildren naman ni Papa ay all boys. Except for Ching, who's got 3 beautiful daughters. So we'll start with Manang Tessie. Manang Tessie and Boy has 2 boys. Si Robert is married to a Japanese girl. Her name is Corey, and they have 1 son. His name is Ryzen. Pangalan naman si Ami. Ami and Ying Palmos. You know the guy, the PMAer from Davao. So I guess he's a commander-in-chief. So they have 1 son, si Gustav, and they is married and has 1 daughter, si Natasha. So I'm the 3rd in the family. This is my husband, Ped. May anak kaming dalawa, si Jerry at si Arnold. Si Jerry is forever single, but with a girlfriend with benefits. Tapos, yung pangalawa, si Arnold has a baby girl. Well, baby always, a granddaughter, no matter how old that is still a baby. But she's growing to be 15. Maarte pa sa akin. Kaya, she's 4 years old, growing to 15. Ang pangalan niya, Adeline. Yun, dalawang anak ko yun. Both of them are in the States. They're both working as researchers for Pfizer, and the other one is contractor for another company. So, pharmaceutical company. So, let's go to the twins. I have 2 sisters who are twins, Ching and Belly. Ching happens to be staying here, loving the Philippines. Tapos yung half twin niya sa Toronto naman siya. So, but Ching has 3 beautiful daughters. 3. Namatay na isa, right? Yeah. 3. Si Audrey, Karen, Audrey, and Abigail. Abigail is getting married next year. Audrey just got married and trying to get has a boy as well, right? And tapos si Karen has also a boy. His name is Andre. And the second one, ang anak ni Andre is Ponchito, right? Ponchito Alfonso. Okay, so Ching is blessed with 4 beautiful girls, but 2 boys as well. So si Belly naman, may asawa din siya. Yung top twin niya is also married and has 1 son. Si, Calvin, wala pa rin asawa. Single pa rin. Isa rin yun forever single. Tapos, yung, yeah. So, the next one is Maybelline. Maybelline, the heiress of the Hakalan wealth. Siya ang pinakamayaman. Nakalimutan ko si Ching, mga anak niya, mayaman din. Pero yan ang pinakamayaman, si Mebs at saka si Oscar. He's blessed with, they're both blessed with 4 boys. Hindi ba sabi na pag-4 na lalaki, swerte. So, si Mark, ang panganay, this Mark, forever single. Tapos si Rex, who's married, nasa New Zealand sila, kasama si Rowie, and also trying so hard to have an addition in the family. Tapos si pangatlo si David, who's a pharmacist. He's here in Manila, right? Yeah, pharmacist din. Tapos si OJ, who's the youngest, who's gonna be finishing in college maybe next year, correct? He's very like Hakalan. Hakalan, alam mo na yun. Tapos ano pa? Si Ching, si Jackie is our youngest. She's married with no kids also. So that's our family. We're scattered all over, and thank you so much for being here. Sana naman, next time na magmi-meet tayo, but we're gonna try to meet again next year. We have to talk to Manong Simon. And so, he told me, kasi binisita namin a couple of days ago, Friday, binisita namin just to make sure I wanna see him, just in case he doesn't come here. And yes, he didn't come in. I haven't seen him for a long, long time. I made an effort to go see him. So we saw him, and sabi niya, kung hindi successful dyan, ako na mag-host next year. But I said it will be successful. But successful or not, we should host one next year. So we'll see kung paano mangyayari. I won't go when. We'll work out with Badong. And yeah, with Badong. And yeah, we'll talk to Manong Simon. Okay, thanks for listening.
Apakan ulit natin ang Abelardo Hakalan Sr. family. Wow! So far, listening from the second generation Hakalans, third, fourth, fifth, the children, grandchildren, grand-grandchildren, and then grand-grand-grandchildren, siguro mahigit ng, in my head count, mga 200 na so far doon sa nag-present. No? So next reunion, I'm sure, this KC Hall will not be enough. And we will go to Araneta Coliseum or the Mall of Asia. Okay. So anyway, may lumapit ulit sa akin, volunteer. May we call on Nemesio Hakalan Jr., Uncle Boy, to present his family tree. Come on down.
So mga kabagyan, I'm representing my family, the eldest on the other side of the family, si Nemesio Hakalan Jr. So, he has 5 children. We're all girls. I don't know if there's anybody around out there, hindi mo alam, Hakalan clan, you never know. So, in my family, my daughter actually gave me a USB. So, hindi ko alam yung ginawa niya kasi binigay lang niya sa akin nung paalis na ako. So, here, ang present ngayon dito sa reunion natin is my only sister here now. Yung panganay namin may sakit, dapat nandito siya ngayon but she cannot come. And the other 2, nasa States. So, 5 kami, 5. So, ako ang pangalawa. Yung panganay namin, she has 2 children, and she is widowed at early stage of her life. I have 2 children as well. I am married to a Jimenez family from Salvacion, which is also related to Manong Lito Kaluya. And this is my nephew, which my father considered to be his only son kasi wala siyang anak na lalaki. Yes. And my other sister, she has 3 children as well. And yung bunso namin, she has 2 children. So, let's just go ahead and watch the video and hope you guys you like it. Thank you.
Woke up in London yesterday, found myself in the city near Piccadilly. Don't really know how I got here. I got some pictures on my phone, new names and numbers that I don't know. Address to places I gotta be raw, take turns tonight and not text to whatever we want. Be young enough to say, oh, it's gotta be good love. It's gotta be good love. It's gotta be good love, good love. Say, oh, the skin that you can't fight. The city is fine now. It's gonna be good love, good love. To my friends in New York, I say hello. My friends in LA, they don't know where I've been for the past few years or so. Paris to China to Colorado. Sometimes there's airplanes I can't jump out. Sometimes there's bullshit that don't work now. We have got our stories, but please tell me what there's to complain about. When you're happy like a fool, let it take you over. When everything
Accolades from California and Canada!
Again, thank you very much for sharing your family tree. Uncle Nemesio Boy Hakalan Jr. O next naman in the lineage ng Hakalan. Tawagin natin si Uncle Joe, Attorney Josetti Hakalan, to present his family lineage. Come on now, Uncle Jack. Uncle Jack rin.
Sa palagay ko, kayo po ay magtataka sapagkat kami dito ngayon ay mga apat lang sa dalawang kahoy ng pamilya ng Marta Hakalan. Kaya pinagpipitaganan ko at binabati ko muna ang organizer itong reunion na ito. Walang iba kung hindi si Elsie. At ako'y nagpapasalamat sa nangyaring ito sapagkat ang tunay na hakalampo ay hindi pala pwede kung isa lang ang kanyang asawa. Kaya huwag po kayong magtataka sapagkat nabanggit ko yan kasi sa piling ko po, hindi ako kontento sa isa lamang. Hindi pa rin ako kontento sa dalawa. Maaari siguro hanggang 10, yan po ang score ko. Ako po, 88 years old na. Kung tingnan niyo po ako, i-compare niyo sa mga edad na ganyan, laylay na mga mukha nila. Ako po ay medyo makinis pa rin. Sapagkat po, ang sikreto ng isang hakalan ay nakuha ko yung sikreto ng ating tatay. First time in the history, not only in the town of Lupao, two family to be taken care of a certain farmer, isang farmer lang, pero kaya po niyang dalhin at kaya niyang pag-aralin lahat ang kanyang anak. Kaya nga po ako nakapag-abogado because of my father who is really determined na pag-aralin lahat ng kanyang anak.
All the way from Mindanao, Sultan Kudarat, Takurong, di ba? Okay.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po, ang tunay ko pong pangalan is Maria Cristeta Solidad T. Hakalan. Hakalan pa po dahil dalaga pa po ako. Ako po ang nag-iisang anak na dalaga, na babae at panganay na anak ni Miguel Trinidad Hakalan at ni Corazon Bautista Tamundong na taga San Jose, Nueva Ecija. Tatlo po kaming magkakapatid. Ako po ang panganay. Ang pangalawa po namin ay si Miguel Sosimo Hakalan II o mas kilala na ninyo sa pangalang Michael or Mike II. Siya po ay may asawa at ang kanyang asawa po ay si Jessie Rose Tadeo Hakalan na taga Ilocos Sur. Sila po ay binayayaan ng dalawang anak, si Maria Rose Kill Mikey Hakalan at saka si Miguel Jesus Hakalan IV na tinatawag naming Fort at Mikey. At ang bunso ko pong kapatid ay si Miguel Domingo Hakalan III na mas kilala ninyo sa pangalan Doming. Siya po ay isang doktor din. Yan lang po yung pamilya ni Miguel at Corazon Hakalan. Mas kilala yata ang papa ko dito as Gilen. Dahil sa amin po, mas kilala ang papa ko as Mike. Pero dito po, nung lumibot po kami last December, karamihan po na nagtatanong, si Gilen po ang tawag sa papa ko. Yan lang po, marami pong salamat.
And I know a lot of people knows the dance. I would like to call Lilibet and Lito Jimenez. Marian Naraguy. Angelo, i-dance mo si Marian. Angelo. Leo, si Lynn Escondo.
palakasan ha, kung gusto nyo ha. The most applause couple will win this contest. Okay, or wins this contest. Okay. Ludi and partner. Okay, so very obvious, dala ng delegation ng Lupao, si Marian and partner. Okay. Thank you, thank you. Katuwaan lang naman yan, katuwaan. And there's a prize. Thank you. So let us continue, I think, with 2 or 3 more that will present their family tree. So may I call on the Hakalan Dacumos clan. Ang mother namin, ako ang panganay. Tawagin ko si Lito. Sino kasama mo? Anak ni Odette. Okay? Lahat. Please. Roland.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat, mga kamag-anak, mga kaibigan. Ako po si Manolito Dacumos, anak ni Jesusa at ni Manolo Dacumos. Pangalawa po ako sa magkakapatid na 5. Ang aking pong mga anak, hindi ko po makita, nawawala. Si Marlon, si Jing, si Odette, si Ochi at si wala po dito. Dalawa lang po yung nanditong kasama ko. Yun lang po. Ang sumunod po sa akin, sa magkakapatid, ay si Rolando. Siya na po ang magpapakilala sa kanyang pamilya.
Magandang hapon po sa lahat ng mga hakalan. Ako po si Rolando Hakalan Dacumos. Mas kilala po sa pangalang Roland. Ang tukso po sa akin nung ako'y nag-aaral ay kamukha daw ko po si Dolphy. Pero po, hindi naman po totoo yun. Ang nagkakatotoo lang po ron, ang nagkakapareho lang, pareho lang kaming mahilig ni Tito Dolphy. Ito po yung pamilya namin nung kami about 7 or 6 years old. Iyan po ang aming pamilya. Wala pa po noon yung bunso, si Ferdinand. Sa kanan po yung aming pong ama. Iyan po si Manuel Manolo Hakalan ng San Juan Manuel Manolo Dacumos ng San Juan, La Union. At sa kaliwa po ay si Jesusa Susing Hakalan ng Lupao, Nueva Ecija. Kung makikita nyo po, yung pinakamatangkad po rito ay si Kuya Harold. Ang sumunod po sa kanyang kanan ay si Manolito. Tapos po si Susette, yung babae. At yung nag-iisa pong mistiso ron, ako po yun. Meron po tayong isang special guest dito. Tatawagin ko po. Ito po, for the information of everybody, hakalan din po to. Bienvenida Malaki. Ang husband niya po ay si Apong Basilio. For the information of everybody, Apong Basilio's mother is the sister of Apong Nemesio. Kaya Hakalan po to, honorary member ng Hakalan.
Thank you very much, Lito and Roland. Medyo modest pa yung introduction ni Roland. 13 and counting. No? 13 and counting. Pero yung partner, hindi na daw mabilang. So, siguradong punong-puno. Now, on my part, I'll present to you my family. No? Jet, my one and only. My one and only. I'm the exception of the Hakalan clan. And my son, my eldest son, Jason. That's our, when we were married, way back in 1981. A family picture with my mom, Jesusa, and dad, Manolo. And my 3 kids at the time, Jason, as I think 8 years old. The next one, I have 3 kids, 2 boys, 1 girl. The second one, unfortunately, he's not around. He's still enjoying his honeymoon. He just recently married January 15 to Monica Silos. And the youngest one is also following the footsteps of Dr. Med. She's now a licensed physician, Dr. Gemily Heidi. Okay. That's our family. O, andun yung picture no ni Auntie Rosing. Nung buhay pa siya, si Uncle Joe, with my mom.
Let's stick together, loving you well. Times are good and bad, happy or sad.
One of my mom, Susing's favorite grandchild is Jason, no? And of course all. No? So every time there's an occasion, nung buhay pa sila, no? Kasama. It's a picture of when I was inducted president of Rotary Club of Makati Bel Air. It's a photo taken when we were in Sydney.
I just can't see.
Way back when we were in Paris with my wife, no? This is our 3rd honeymoon, no? And one of the photo in Hungary. My wife in front of the Opera House in Sydney. And a photo with my mom. They spent their bonding together. Iniwan ako sa Manila, sila lang dalawa sa Sydney.
Loving you well. Times are good and bad, happy or sad.
And that's a recent family photo last year when we were in Hong Kong. So we really love each other, although there are differences among the siblings, no? Pero panganay, I have to set the example. So thank you very much for this opportunity that you learn to know more. Kasi kung si Roland lang makumpleto yung 13 niya, no? Sigurado may mga apo ka na rin, di ba? Recently Kaloy got married, right? Kaloy. Okay? Tapos si RJ. Actually naunang RJ, liga. Si RJ is with Neda, no? So ito fourth generation na to, 4th generation Hakalan. Okay? Tama? Kamukha ni Roland, no? Okay?
Maraming salamat po, mga kamag-anak, mga kaibigan, mga friend, at saka mga friend pa rin. Ako po ay anak ni Brolio Hakalan Senior. Dalawa po kami magkapatid. Ako po ang panganay, ay ang pangalawa. Ang una po yung kapatid ko, mas patanda. Pero bedridden na po siya, hindi na po siya pwedeng dumalo dito sa mga ganito. Ako po ay may isang asawa, si Janet po, W, wala-wala. Yung next picture. Ang aking anak po, ang pangalawa po ay si Juliet. Ang asawa niya po ay si Mr. Torres. Si Juliet po ay isang doktor at siya po ay naninirahan dun sa Florida, USA. Next picture. Ang aking panganay po, si Jerry Hakalan. Siya po ay empleyado ngayon ng government sa CLSU. Hindi po siya nakadalo dahil may konting karamdaman. Meron po siyang isang anak. Siya po ay nag-graduate ng commerce. At siya po ay nagtatrabaho sa government. Next picture. Ito po naman si Dr. Tirso Hakalan Jr., yung lalaki po. Siya po ay may asawa, si Pamela. Si Dr. Tirso Hakalan po ay kasalukuyan na sa Abu Dhabi. He's working there as a doctor sa isang hospital dun sa Abu Dhabi. Umuwi siya paminsan-minsan. Hindi ko alam kung may siguro ano din. Hindi na natin dapat banggitin. Ang akin pong bunso ay si Jennifer Hakalan. Ang asawa po niya ay si Attorney Ramos. Siya po ay kasalukuyang piskal sa court sa Manila. Sila po ay nakatira sa Quezon City ngayon. May dalawa po silang anak. Good luck, mabuhay po tayong lahat. Mabuhay po ang Hakalan family, mabuhay pong...
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ang anak ni Brolio Hakalan the second, sorry. Ang palay ko po Badong. Ang aking ina po ay si Meli Hakalan. Tapos tatlo po kami magkakapatid. Yung isa pong kapatid ko, yung panganay po namin is pass away na po siya. At ako po ang pangalawa. Ang aking may bahay po si Sheila Rupino Hakalan. One and only. At tapos meron po kaming tatlong supling. Si Shaira Grace Hakalan, si Roger Ellis Hakalan, tsaka si Charis Gwen Hakalan. Ang